Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another year at Albright Elementary. For those of you who are new students, I want to welcome you to our school. It's great to have all of you new Cardinals at Albright. We're really excited to have you join us. My name is Mr. Novi and I'm the principal in our school. My job is to make sure our school is a safe, and exciting, and fun place to be. I want to make sure our school is the best school around and will do whatever I can to help our teachers and our students do the best job they possibly can. Our expectation at Albright Elementary is that our students are always working their hardest, following the rules, and being the best person they can be. This year will be a very different year than any of us have ever had at Albright Elementary. We have even more safety rules, like keeping our distance from others, wearing a face mask, and using hand sanitizer a lot. Our teachers are here to make sure everyone is following our rules while still working hard and doing your best. We want to make sure all of our students know that even though things look really different this year, it's the same school you left last year. We're all still here to learn a lot and have fun, do our best, no matter what we're doing. Even though things look a little different and all of us are wearing masks, we can still tell if you're smiling. We are all here and in this together, and if we all try our hardest, we can make this another fun and exciting school year. We're still a PBIS school and have the same 3 school rules that everybody knows at our school. Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. Being responsible means taking care of your own things, doing your best work all the time, and keeping our school looking great. Being respectful means being polite, making sure we create a classroom environment where all students can learn, and taking care of our school. And being safe means following all school rules, walking in the halls, and being kind to others. So if we all follow the school rules, the school will continue to be an awesome place to learn and grow. It'll take all of us to make this work. You're going to hear some common words this year that you haven't really heard in other years, such as keeping your spacing, using your cardinal wings, and washing and sanitizing your hands, and making sure you wear a mask. You'll also hear some words that we've always used, like cardinal pride, and we are Cardinals, and what would Charlie do? We're all Cardinals, and we expect everyone to be great all the time. We can make our elementary school the best school around if we all work together. So welcome back to another awesome year at Albright. We're all excited to welcome everyone back to school. We've missed all of you walking in our hallways and playing on the playgrounds and learning in the classrooms. It makes me so happy to see all of you again. Even though right now we can't give hugs or high fives like we always have, we can still do things like elbow bumps and silent waves, peace sign. So have a great first day of school and be sure to follow all of our new safety rules. We want everyone to be safe and need all of you and all of your help in order to do that. So make today awesome. Go Cardinals.